BLSH stock is a crypto exchange that just had a blockbuster IPO. It is backed by Peter Thiel's founder fund and the owner of CoinDesk. The IPO price was $90 and went up as much as $120 on the first day, but then it ended up closing around $68. Should you buy this? If so, how can you profit from it? The first thing we look at is fundamentals. The fundamentals are great. It doesn't have a lot of history, but we can see that it made $80 billion in the last quarter with a small negative net income. IPOs normally start out making losses and then later they become profitable. So we hope to see that in the future. But the question is, how can you profit from IPOs? Normally, trading very early in the days like this is not very trustworthy. So what you want to do is wait for it to form a right side of the base. You want to see it form something like a cup like this. And then you want it to form a chit where it just goes sideways and slightly down on lower volume. And then once it jumps out of that area, then it's likely to go up for a very big return. We saw this in the stock called CoreWeave, which is an AI stock. We can see something very close. It ran up and then came down. Like I told you, it starts to form this cup. We see this chit over here. There's slight volume in that chit. And then once it jumps out of that, it's a good time to buy. And then the maximum profit that you could have gotten was about 300%. Of course, you're not going to get a full 300%. You would have sold around here once it closes another 20-day exponential moving average. If you want to learn how to do this on your own, if you want to get alerts of when to buy and sell stocks with a money back guarantee, sign up for the Profit Punch newsletter. See you on the other side.